To set up your Northstar Online Learning, or NSOL account, find and open the email invitation from your Northstar location. In the email, click the link in the blue button. At some locations, you can create an account using your Gmail account. If you create a Northstar account using Gmail, you can log into Northstar through Gmail, and you do not need to make another password. To use your Gmail account to log into Northstar, click Login with Google. If you are not logged into Gmail, first you will need to log in. Enter your Gmail address and password. Then follow the directions to confirm that you would like to make a Northstar account with your Gmail. You will then be sent back to Northstar and be logged in. After you set up your account, you can log into Northstar by clicking the Login button on our homepage. First, enter your Gmail address and click Next. A button will appear that says Log in with Google. Click on that button. Then you will need to log into your Gmail account to log into Northstar. If you are already logged into your Gmail, the website will automatically log you into Northstar. After you are done using Northstar, make sure to log out using the menu in the top right corner. If you logged in using Gmail, do not forget to log out of your Gmail as well. If you do not log out, someone else could use your account.